Have you ever wondered how pine cones seem to have a mind of their own? These seemingly simple seed carriers perform an extraordinary dance based on humidity levels. When the air is moist, pine cones open wide, eagerly releasing their seeds. But when the weather turns dry, they shut tight, protecting their precious cargo. This remarkable mechanism is known as hygroscopic movement, designed to play a crucial role in the pine tree's reproduction. By triggering this response, pines ensure their seeds have the best chance of thriving in ideal conditions. Next time you spy a pine cone, remember, it's not just a quirky decoration. It's part of a life-saving strategy for survival.